Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Ashia Williams with us. Miss Ashia is a native of Indiana, but currently resides in LA. She's a graduate of Howard University with a major in chemistry and has worked in the financial services and pharmaceutical industry. She is a dog mom to a Cavapoo and the aunt of 15 nieces and nephews. And today we're going to be discussing how trading correlates with your financial goals. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ashia, how does someone choose a trading platform and what factors should they consider when making that choice?
Yeah, so had this been a few years ago, I would definitely say the trade fees, because there used to be where each trade may cost. But once one broker decided to get rid of the trading fees, pretty much all of the financial institutions got rid of the trading fees. So if you're more so long-term, holding something, then I would say any of the platforms would be great. Now, if you're trying to day trade specifically, there is a lot of different brokers that have different leverages, which is pretty much how much money you're able to leverage of that institution to be able to, add with yours to trade. So leverage is good, is a really big factor in trading, because a lot of U.S. brokers have very low leverage, like 1 to 25, 1 to 50 ratios, which can be beneficial for somebody who over leverages their portfolio, but would be a con to somebody who wants to grow a lot of money and very well versed in the trading industry, but they just need that capital to kind of help them get there. So I would say looking at leverage. Also, you want to look at like the institutional reviews itself, because if you're day trading, I know there was a lot of day traders that, and I even was affected twice by this, that were on platforms where pretty much you like complete these challenges and the company will give you, anywhere between $50 to $1 million to trade with. And then you make a certain percentage, like 80% of the profits, and the company gets 20% of the profits after you pass these challenges or whatever, these 2-level challenges. The issue is that America does not like having overseas brokers because they want that money and want to be able to account for it. So they closed down a lot of those overseas brokers and people were left without payouts. So you really, if you're looking to have a funded account, you really have to know if that is an incredible funded account, because you don't want to get stuck into a situation where you spent 2 months passing these challenges. Finally, you get a live account and then it gets shut down. And now you just like, dang, I did all this work for nothing. So those are like the two most important factors, I would say. As far as crypto, you definitely want to make sure it's credible, because there's a lot of scams out there with crypto. So I use Coinbase. I love Coinbase. But I mean, everyone uses something else. So yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.